Hello children, we are going to start with practice set 16.2. First question, in each example given below, radius of base of a cylinder and its height are given. Then find the curved surface area and total surface area. First one, r equals to 7 centimeter, that is radius, h height equals to 10 centimeter. Given r equals to 7 centimeter and h equals to 10 centimeter, to find curved surface area of cylinder and total surface area, curved surface area of the cylinder equals to 2 pi RH. Now, value of pi in this problem, you can take 22 by 7 or 3.14, whatever is convenient for you. But in any problem, if the value of pi is given 3.14 or 22 by 7, you have to take that particular value only. Otherwise, any value you do and do the calculations, it will be given correct. So curved surface area of the cylinder equals to 2 pi RH. Substitute the value 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 10. Now here you see 7 gets cancelled. What is left is 2 into 22 into 10. So simple calculations, 440 square centimeter. Total surface area of the cylinder equals to, formula is this 2 pi r in bracket h plus r. This equals to 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 in bracket. Bracket important. 10 plus 7. And you know Bodmer's rule, you have to solve the bracket first. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 17. This 7 gets cancelled. What is left is 2 into 22 into 17 equals to 748 square centimeter. Area is given as square unit. Volume was given as cubic unit. Very clear? Area is given as square unit. So the curved surface area of the cylinder is 440 square centimeter and its total surface area is 748 square centimeter. Next problem, if radius is 1.4 centimeter and height is 2.1 centimeter. To find curved surface area of the cylinder and total surface area. Formula remains the same. Curved surface area of the cylinder equals to 2 pi RH. Substitute the value. Here only the decimal point is there, so you have to do the calculations correctly. 7 ones are 7, 0.2s are 1.4. Else you can apply the method what you know to remove the decimal point and simplify. That method is also very correct. And when you simplify, you will get the answer 18.48 square centimeter. Total surface area of the cylinder equals to, formula is 2 pi r in bracket h plus r. Substitute the values and now you know how to calculate. You will get answer 30.80 square centimeter. Therefore, the curved surface area of the cylinder is 18.48 square centimeter and its total surface area is 30.80 square centimeter. Third problem, r equals to 2.5 centimeter, h equals to 7 centimeter. Again, we have to find out the curved surface area of cylinder and total surface area. So formula to find out the curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi RH. Substitute the values from above and simplify, you will get curved surface area equals to 110 square centimeter. Total surface area of the cylinder formula is 2 pi r in bracket h plus r. Substitute the values and you will get the answer 149.29 square centimeter. Calculations more important. Therefore, the curved surface area of the cylinder is 110 square centimeter and its total surface area is 149.29 square centimeter. Next problem, R equals to 70 centimeter, H equals to 1.4 centimeter. To find curved surface area of the cylinder and total surface area of the cylinder, curved surface area of the cylinder equals to 2 pi RH. Substitute the value and calculate, you will get 616 square centimeter. Total surface area of the cylinder formula is 2 pi R in bracket H plus R. Substitute the value and calculate, you will get 31,416 square centimeter. Therefore, the curved surface area of the cylinder is 616 square centimeter and its total surface area is 31,416 square centimeter. Fifth, R equals to 4.2 centimeter, H equals to 14 centimeter. Again, curved surface area of the cylinder we have to find out. Formula is 2 pi RH. Substitute the value and calculate, you will get 369.60 square centimeter. To calculate total surface area, apply the formula 2 pi R into H plus R. Substitute the values and you will calculate 480.48 square centimeter. Therefore, the curved surface area of the cylinder is 369.60 square centimeter and its total surface area is 480.48 square centimeter. Next problem, question 2. Find the total surface area of closed cylindrical drum. Closed cylindrical drum means drum is packed from the base, it will be packed, but from the top also lid is put. If its diameter is 50 centimeter, instead of radius, diameter is given and height is 45 centimeter. And one more thing, here the value of pi is given as 3.14. So in this problem, we can't use the value 22 by 7. Even though if your calculations are correct, the valuer may give wrong only because value of pi is given as 3.14 only. So please take note, if value is given, we have to take the same value. Given for cylindrical drum, diameter equals to 50 centimeter and height equals to 45 centimeters. We have to find out the total surface area of the cylindrical drum. So diameter equals to 50 centimeter, therefore radius equals to 50 by 2 equals to 25 centimeter. Total surface area of the cylindrical drum 2 pi R in bracket H plus R. Substitute. Now you know about calculations, but only here take care, pi value will be 3.14 only as it is given in the problem. Simplify, do the calculations, you will get 10,990 square centimeter. Therefore, the total surface area of the cylindrical drum is 10,990 square centimeter. Question 3. Find the area of the base and radius of the cylinder if its curved surface area is 660 square centimeter and height is 21 centimeter. Curved surface area equals to 660 square centimeter and height is 21 centimeter. Formula to find out the curved surface area 2 pi RH. Your curved surface area is given 660 equals to 2 into 22 by 7. R is not given, H is given 21. You know how to simplify this by cross multiplications and all. Simplify, R value will come to 5. That is radius equals to 5 centimeter. Area of a base of the cylinder is given pi R square. Area of the base is pi R square. So 22 by 7 into 5 equals to, simplify this, you will get 78.57 square centimeter. Therefore, the radius of the cylinder is 5 centimeter and the area of its base is 78.57 square centimeter. Next question 4. Find the area of the sheet required to make a cylindrical container which is open at one side and whose diameter is 28 centimeter and height is 20 centimeter. Find the approximate area of the sheet required to make a lid of height 2 centimeter for its container. Now, when you are making the lid of some height, definitely the cylinder is at the bottom. On the top also, height is there. So again, it will be a cylindrical form only. We'll come across for cylindrical container. Diameter equals to 28 centimeter, height equals to H1 equals to 20 centimeter because height of the lid is also given as H2 2 centimeter. To find the surface area of the cylinder with one side open, I'm sure you understood it is a drum, open drum. Area of sheet required to make a lid cover of height 2 centimeters. So again it is a cylinder only. We'll come across. So here diameter of the cylinder is given as 28 centimeters. So radius will be equal to 14 centimeters. Surface area of the cylinder with one side open equals to curved surface area plus area of base. Area of lid will not come here because height of the cylinder is different. So here 2 pi r h1 plus pi r square, that is area of base. So only pi r will come common, 2h1 plus r. I'm sure you understood this formula here. Again, method remains the same. Substitute the values of all the terms and calculate. It will be 2376 square centimeter. This is the area, curved surface, total surface area of the cylinder. Total in the sense, not the lid. Area of sheet required to make a lid, curved surface area of the lid as it is having height, and area of upper surface. Formula remains the same here, the height changes because this cylinder is also open from one side. So 2 pi r h2 plus pi r square, pi r common, 2h2 plus r, where h2 is 2 only here, there h1 was 20. Substitute the values and calculate. You will get 792 square centimeter. Therefore, the area of the sheet required to make the cylinder container is 2376 square centimeter, and the approximate area of the sheet required to make the lid is 792 square centimeter. You might be knowing to make the cylinder, what we need, total surface area or curved surface area of the base or of the top. But to find out the capacity of the cylinder, we need the volume. In the next video, we are going to see the next exercise. Till then, goodbye. Take care of yourself. Thank you.